Hey guys, it's me, T Shadow YT or Wyatt, and I'm back here with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my world. Let's go. Oh shoot, my face looks so bad. Oh, all right. So this is my farm. We're growing wheat, carrots, all that. There's my berries, and then there's my sheep. Yeah, but in my farm there's wheat, carrots, and more wheat. Now let's get into my chest for the sheep. And this is my friendship chest. This is my bridge. It's really cool. So this is where we get our wood from the forest. It's really cool. It's like it's not that cool. There's our art that took us like an hour because I had to get it up there. That's our beacon. This is our base. You ready? Let's get into this base. This is where the big stuff comes in, you know? So, this is me and my friend's armor. See, I have mine on, but I had two enchanted of them. And this is our, like, good chest. I've gotten, soul speed 3 off of a pigman. Here, I'll show a photo right now. Okay, so this is our good stuff. At the bottom, that was trash. This is his chest. This is my chest. And this is our, like, crap chest. This is, like, all of our supplies and stuff we use. This is our enchantment table, you know, where we enchant our stuff. Sadly, we don't have any blue stuff or whatever it's called. This is our aiming room for our bows. So I like to make these creations of like where we go and stuff. This is the Nether. We beat the Ender Dragon, so I made this, and we got a Triton, which is really okay. So this is our Christmas tree. This is like one of my favorite builds me and my friend made. Well, mostly I did because he wasn't online as I did. This is like my world, but me and him play it mostly, and it's like really cool. He doesn't really have a YouTube channel, so I can't really show you guys. But he's but yeah, this is me and his world. All right, I'm gonna get down there. Okay, like I said, above me is my creation up there, our art, me and my friend's art. This is like our watchtower that I'm on right now. See, this is like where we see. That's my fishing deck, and that's my what's it called? Sugarcane farm. That's our normal farm and stuff. And yeah, this is the. Hey, if you're new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more of Minecraft and my world, then make sure to like. If we get about 5 to 10 likes, I will start doing more of this, and I will start doing episodes of my world and me and my friends. All right, see you guys. Love you. Bye.